Hello, myself Dinesh Mishra. We are representing RE. RE is a Italian group, and we are doing a business in this India from 2011. And RE started in 1974 at Italy. After that, we created this much of franchises, and we are representing here as our booth, and we participated Hyplex to promote our products, our everything. So our product lists are very wide, from the tension control, waveguide system, viscosity controllers, load cells, air sap, cutters, and everything. We showed here. There are so many products are there. We showed. We are delighted to invite our customer to visit our booth, and also we are promoting our new launch products also, like waveguide sensors and everything, because we created a brand. We started from the Italy. We are having the very old backup. We are having the R&D facility at our Italian group. Whatever the customers is requiring about the solution, like our logo, our word is one company 1000 solution. It means with the same product we are doing multiple different applications. So here that is our means what I call as a USP, because we are doing the R&D, continuous development. As per the customer need, we are developing our product. Again some complaint comes, again we are improving, again some improvement come from the customer, again we are improving. Then it's a continuous cycle, and we have a wide experience in that, into the entire printing and entire packaging industry. Expo is good. We are first time participated in a Hyplex, but Expo is good. Earlier we tried in Chennai also and Bangalore also. As compared to that, Hyplex is giving a right platform to promote our products and everything. Thank you.